friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. This is your Walgreens preview for the week of October the 12th to the 18th. And we have a lot going on in this ad, so it is not another boring week. This is actually a pretty good week. So we're going to start off with the 2 boosters that I received, a 3-back when you buy 2 dental care products. I think most of us got that one. And a 5-back when you spend 15. Now this one, not everybody gets, and I'm sorry guys, I'm not in control of who gets them or not. And only my husband's account gets these now, my main doesn't. So I think if you're a really heavy shopper, they're gonna show up anyhow, so none for you. And that's exactly how customer service sounds in my mind. So load it if you have it. And just treat this video as a preview. The full ad along with all of the digital coupons will be published on Sunday the 12th in the morning. The Walgreens app for the last couple of days too, kind of problematic. So if we're having problematic stew that morning, just be patient. Probably early afternoon, it should be rocking and a-rolling. Don't assume anything. That promotion of spend $30 to earn back a $10 register reward on P&G products expired on Saturday the 11th. If you have that one down below, which is the actual booster, it's going to expire very quickly, so check the dates and use it right away. Before we dive into the deals, if you guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, or if you might have that hype button, hype up the video. It is my birthday week. I think I deserve let's take this video to the moon. Why not? At 10 off for the P&G. If you wanted to throw it into this deal, it would be super smart. 4 for 10. So each of these products are $2.50 each. If you're a newer couponer trying to build up your stockpile, this is how you can get the dryer sheets, the softener, those Febreze Air Effects on the cheap and get them quick. The first deal that we're looking at, I believe, is going to be 100% freebie. It's going to be on the $7 Tresemes. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon and a $5 reward when you buy 2. We're definitely going to have to test this out on Sunday morning, so please come back because I will be testing this one out specifically because I noticed that I got a whole bunch of my Walgreens coupons that start on the 12th and end on November the 1st, which is the middle of the month, and it's only for 3 weeks, and it makes no sense. But this is the one. And it's a 4 off 2 My Walgreens coupon, and it's attaching to the more expensive Tresemes. So grabbing 2 of these Tresemes, it's going to be $14, subtracting that 5 off 2 manufacturer along with the store coupon. And my one card I could load it, the second card I could not load that store coupon, so it's really odd. You would pay $5, get back a $5 register reward, making it free. If you're doing the deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. If you're going to use the booster, you have to pay the balance with cash bills, debit card, credit card. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is the $5 Dove Hair Care, $4 reward when you buy 2. And I believe it's going to be a 5 off a 2 digital coupon. Let's keep our fingers crossed for that one. Grabbing 2 of the Dove shampoos, it's going to be $10. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. You can spend some to earn your register reward. Now we're looking at the L'Oreal Elvive, and I want to point something out as a teachable moment. This is always 2 for 10 on a sales week, and look how it's 2 for 11 now. I'm not saying anything, though. Grabbing 2 of these, it's 11. Subtracting that 3 off 2, you'll pay 8. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $4 for the 2 or $2 per bottle. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. A lot of us really love the L'Oreal Elvive, especially the conditioners. It is a very good line, so this is the week to stock up. And we also have another deal on the Scott that's 2 for 7. The last couple times this deal's rolled around, we've only gotten $1 for the toilet paper, but not the paper towel. So if we get $1 off for each, which they've done in the past, it would be 2 for $7.50. You'd have to grab 1 paper towel, 1 toilet paper. Subtracting the $2, it would be $5.50 for the 2 or $2.75 per unit. If we only get $1 off, it's going to be $6.50 for the 2. Again, you're doing this deal with no booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down that balance. The $3.50 Crest or Oral-B, we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon and a $3 reward when you purchase 2. So for this deal, we're going to grab 2 of the $3 brushes or the pastes. You pick which one you want to stock up on. 2 for $7, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Another cheap deal this week is to buy 1 paste and 1 brush by Colgate at $4.50 each. I believe we're going to get a $2 off for the brush and the paste, so grabbing 1 of each, it's $9. Subtracting $4 in digitals, you'll pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And if you have a ton of toothpaste in your stockpile, that first deal, just get the toothbrushes and you would have 1 paste with this. Toothpaste does expire, but I know a lot of you do a lot with your stockpile, so that would be a way to really stock up on something that just doesn't expire with the brushes. If you're really into Dove body wash, we're going to grab 2 for $8 each, so that would be $16. We have a 5 off 2 digital and a $3 reward when you buy 2. So 2 for $16, subtracting that 5 off 2 digital coupon, you're going to pay $11, and then you are getting back a $3 register reward, making it $8 for the 2 or $4 per unit. Again, if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Now we're going to do a deal with a booster just to throw you a curveball. This is the 5 back when you spend $15, valid right through the 18th. So the 12th to the 18th, that's the window. So we're going to grab a variation of the $5.49 Bounce, Downy, Tide products. So grabbing 4 of those at $5.49 a unit. Look for the items that are tagged in store as well, guys. It's $21.96. Subtracting all of these items have $1.50 digital coupons, so that's 6 off. And then have your digital booster loaded. You'll pay $15.96 with your debit card. Get back a $4 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $6.96 for the 4 or $1.74 per product. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. If you might have register rewards that you wish to throw into it, by all means, go for it. Okay, and now we have the 2 for $7 for the Dial body washes, and this is a product that we often don't get a lot of deals on, but we're going to get a 2 off 2 digital coupon, so it's going to make it 5 for 2 or $2.50 per Dial body wash. So go and make that happen if that is your favorite body wash. Let's just go quickly through some honorable mentions. The first one goes to the 88-cent Walgreens food storage bags. This is 5 cents cheaper than the usual promotion that they have of buy 1 get 2 for free. $1.99 for the nice peanuts and trail mix. If you need a snack for the car because you do so much couponing that you need something once in a while, this is a very good item to have, especially the peanuts. And we also have the Lay's potato chips 2 for $6. It makes it $3 a bag, and this is definitely a deal of the week. And you notice there's no Halloween candy for $1.99. They haven't been slipping that in the ad the last couple of weeks. We're just pointing that out. And the final honorable mention goes to the soda of buy 2, get 2 for free for the Canada Dry A&W, and a buy 2, get 1 for free on the Pepsi products. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.